Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notifications. And here the notifications I'm going to show you from the two different state universities, guys. So as a permanent assistant professor, it is academic level 10. That means you are going to get the 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month as per the 7th CPC pay scale. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not there in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two state universities recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWYNIK, to get 10% discount. While coming to the present content of the video, so the first university we are going to see is the Kumon University. So from this one here we got the teaching recruitment applications, guys. So you may check down and I will show you here the advertisement for the assistant professor, associate professor as well as the professor category. So if you click on this advertisement, then you will be directed to this one, guys. So here the in detail recruitment notification is given here. So online applications are invited from the eligible candidates for the post of assistant professors in the academic pay level 10, that is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Okay. And the qualifications are as per the UGC regulations 2018, and I will show you the qualifications also. So while coming to the criminology subject, master's degree in the criminology or else the sociology or the psychology or clinical psychology law, and a NET or SET or PhD in the relevant field. Okay. And coming to the next one is Center for Excellence in Himalayan Medical Plants and Nanotechnology. So master's degree in the pharmaceutical chemistry or nanomedicine or ethnobotany, pharmacognosy, biotechnology, and a NET or SET or PhD in the relevant field. Next one is the forensic science. So master's degree in the forensic science or biotechnology or molecular biology or the biomedical science or genetic engineering, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutical chemistry, and NET, SET or PhD in the relevant field. Coming to the computer applications, BE or BTech or BS and ME or MTech or MS in relevant field with first class or the equivalent in any one of these degrees, or else the BE, BTech and MCA with the first class in any one of these two degrees, or else the graduation of 3 years duration with mathematics as a compulsory subject and MCA with the first class or equivalent with 2 years of relevant experience must be there. Okay. And the candidates are required to fill up the online application form, and online application form means, see guys, here apply for the teaching recruitment is there. Okay, so I will show you at the end of this notification. So the candidates are required to fill up of the online application form and also submit the printout of the application form along with the required and the relevant documents to support their eligibility, and the same should reach the office of Registrar, Administration Block, Kumon University, Uttarakhand. So by 12/2/2022, that means the 12th Feb 2022 till 4 o'clock. And the submission of only offline forms will be rejected. So please write the name of the post applied for and the name of the subject on the outside of the envelope also while sending the printout of the online application form. That means you should apply the online application form as well as you should send the hard copy of the online application form as well as the relevant documents to this provided or else the mentioned address, guys. Okay. And you may check down. The date of uploading of advertisement and the online registration starts from 7th Jan 2022, that is from today onwards. And the last date of the final submission of online application form is 27/1/2022. And the submission of hard copies of the printouts along with the documents, relevant documents, is 12th Feb 2022. Got it? So these are all the details, guys. So, and while coming to the online application form details means, if you click on this one and then you will be directed to the online application form here. So first of all, you need to register, and after registering, you will be provided with the registration ID or the mobile number or and the date of birth. Okay, it will be the login details. So with the help of registration ID and the date of birth, you can log in and then fill up of the online application form for the teaching recruitment. Okay. And the candidates who belongs to the PhD, so for associate professor and for the professor also, you guys may check down. Okay. And coming to the second university, what I wanted to show you is that Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Rohilkhand University from Bareilly. So here the applications are invited on a prescribed application form to fill up of the following post at the Constitute Government College on a fixed honorarium basis under the self-finance scheme. Okay, the last date is on or before 24 Jan 2022 and the post has to reach to Register MJP Rohilkhand University Bareilly UP. Okay, and coming to the principal and assistant professor vacancies are there. So coming to the principal, eligibility any subjects or else any disciplines from science, arts or commerce etc. and 60,000 rupees per month will be provided. It is a fixed one. And coming to the assistant professor, the subjects are physics, chemistry, zoology, botany, mathematics, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, sociology, economics, history, education, psychology, political science, home science and commerce. Okay, so these are the different subjects are there. And the qualifications as per the ACTE, UGC, NCT and the UP state government norms, guys. And the interested candidates may visit the official website of this college. Okay, so because you should apply through the official website only. Okay, so it is the official website, guys. So you may check down here, and if you scroll down here you will get the vacancy. So click on that vacancy and then you will be directed to this one, guys, and through this web page you can apply. Okay, so assistant professor means click on this apply now and then you will be directed to the online application form. Fine. Okay, so coming to the eligibility conditions, as I told that UGC ACT norm. So as per the UGC, the eligibility or post graduation in the concerned discipline with 55% of marks, and along with that one the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and in the 55% there is a some 5% relaxation based upon the caste category. So these are all the qualifications for the assistant professor. So if you want, you may check out the UGC 2018 regulations, guys. And the interview will be conducted tentatively in the second week of the Feb onwards. And the application fee is 1500 rupees for the unreserved OBC and EWS category and 1000 rupees in case of SC ST. So you should send through the DD in favor of finance officer. And here the application form is also kept here. So you may once check down, guys. So fill up all the details very carefully and the interested candidates may send it to the mentioned address. Okay. So these are all the details regarding the two different state universities recruitment notifications, guys. So please share this video. It will be very much helpful to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments in this pandemic situation. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subjects in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video's immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as of right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common. that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want